What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I've been getting a lot of questions about the inactive exhaust module that I put on my car. So today, man, we're gonna talk about it. So let's get into it. So yes, I've been getting a lot of questions about the inactive exhaust module that I put on my car. Everybody want to know the update on it. How's it working for me? Do I like it? Did I get a check engine light? Anything like that. And before we get into that, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe. Right now, man, the views are so down. But this car content is crazy, man. That's for everybody. Not even just car content people, but just in general on YouTube. It's a little tricky right now. So guys, hit the like button for me, please, if you like this video. I really appreciate it. But yeah, guys, the inactive exhaust module has been working out good. I really don't have any complaints. Now, there are some concerns that I have, not anything necessarily bad that's gonna affect the car or cause any kind of codes or anything with the car. But when the car goes into the 4-cylinder mode, you do get a little drone. I don't know if you guys can kind of hear it now, but it's not super loud or anything like that where it gets on my nerves. But I definitely can tell the difference with having the module on here and the car going into the 4-cylinder mode, especially when you're on the highway. You can definitely hear the change. The tone of the exhaust is a little different. But other than that, man, it's been great. I haven't had any issues. The car sounds great when you get on it, regardless if you're in eco mode, track mode, sport mode. It sounds good. A lot of people say my car sounds like I have a muffler delete on the outside. I've done several flyby videos, and I'm gonna put some clips in this video so y'all can hear how the car sounds on the outside. But as far as the inside, as you can see, I don't know if y'all can hear that. The car sounds good, and like I said, I'm in eco mode. And I'll leave a link in the description where you can order this. I'll put a link to the install video in this video right here. So you guys can check out that video. You can see how it's installed. It didn't take long. So if you're thinking about getting it, man, you don't want to do a muffler delete, but you do want your car to sound good without having to put the car in track mode, sport mode, or any other mode. So while you're in eco mode, the car still sounds loud. You can still kind of hear the throaty sound. I didn't get a muffler delete because I didn't want to cut on the car. Sometimes when you get a muffler delete, the car sounds too raspy. I didn't want to go through that. You kind of don't know what you're going to get when you do a muffler delete. I know a lot of Scat Packs, a lot of Hellcats that sound great with muffler deletes, then there's some that sound real raspy. Sound like a Rice or Honda car with no mufflers. And I did not want that on my Charger. Some people want that super loud sound. I definitely don't want that. So that's why I chose to not do the muffler delete. No, my car is not as loud as a lot of Chargers with muffler delete. My car has a low, deep tone to it, which is what I like. So I'm gonna put some clips in this video so you guys can kind of get an idea of what the car sounds like. And I hope I answered your question. I'm not gonna make this video super long. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna give y'all some revs so y'all can hear how the exhaust sound with the inactive exhaust module on it. Again, I gotta do stuff over sometimes when people be new to the channel, so they need to hear how I sound. So there you go, guys. I gave y'all a couple revs. I was gonna stay outside, but it's too windy. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what it sounds like with the inactive exhaust module on here. Like, again, I'm happy with it. My car has a deep tone to it. It doesn't sound too raspy, so that's why I didn't want to do the muffler delete. And I already talked about that, so I'm not gonna go deep into that. Leave your comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think. I've been getting a lot of questions about this, so I had to do another video, basically a follow-up video. It's been a few months now, and I'm completely satisfied. I like the way it sounds. Again, I don't get that raspy sound, so I'm cool with it. So leave your comments, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all think it sounds good? Is it deep enough? I know it's not super loud, but I like the deep tone, not the raspy tone. And also, guys, do not judge whether or not you're going to buy one of these cars based on YouTube and people saying the views are down, people tired of the same content. That is very true, but that doesn't mean you won't still enjoy having one of these cars. All of that is true. Maybe people are tired of seeing raps and all that stuff on YouTube, but there's more to life than just putting your car on YouTube. I really enjoy this car in real life, in real time. When I'm riding around in this car, I enjoy having that power, the look of the car, how it feels, the different options I have in here. So do not let that stuff deter you, man. Because I think a lot of people are getting discouraged from buying these cars because they worrying about what people saying on YouTube. These cars are great. You know what I'm saying? I really enjoy having this car. So guys, please don't get discouraged by that. Now, I do a lot of videos about stuff with these cars because I like to keep it 100. I talk about everything that's going on with these cars, the good and the bad. So that's what you're going to get on my channel. But at the end of the day, man, I truly enjoy having this car. I'm telling you right now. It's not like it. The looks you get, people just stare at it like, what the heck is that? Especially the wide bodies. People constantly looking at these cars, bro. I know y'all heard that. Like I'm telling y'all, man, this car still sounds good without without having a muffler delete, man. You don't have to have a muffler delete. And that's in eco mode, that car's spitting like that, man. Let me roll my windows back up. So again, this car sounds amazing from the outside. And it sounds, you can hear it from the inside, especially if you have the windows down. Dodge did a real good job at sealing off the wind noise and the road noise in these cars. So sometimes it's a little difficult. Well, I ain't gonna say it's difficult to hear the exhaust because you can always hear the exhaust in this car. To reiterate, I haven't had any issues with this inactive exhaust module. You can hear how the car sounds. It really sounds good with cold start, with startup. Everything is cool, man. No check engine lights, no nothing. I took it to the dealership for service, no issues, nothing about no warranty problems, even though I haven't had a reason to take it in for any warranty concerns. But no, well, that's not true. I took it in for that clicking sound on my rims. But that's something that Dodge hasn't addressed yet. I don't think they are going to address it. I've done a video on that as well. So go back through my videos, guys. I've done a lot of videos on a lot of questions people be having about these cars. And go ahead and get you one, man. If you got you a Scat Pack or a Hellcat, enjoy the car. Don't worry about what people talk about on YouTube. I mean, it is what it is as far as the content. You will still enjoy having one of these cars. I know I do. And I still intend on possibly still getting me a Hellcat. I got some other things I'm working on right now, so it's not coming anytime soon. So yeah, hit the like button, guys. I appreciate y'all tuning in, all my real true supporters. I appreciate y'all still watching my videos, even though they're saying that the videos aren't being pushed out like that, and the notifications, people aren't getting notifications. So hit the like button, guys, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.